jo to no lam chak sawa ha YouTube channel de khiye tinio numbers kamo khopok ta ti bimo khe chung tinio khnao ba GNM nursing snungnai ro PGP department bai khe hoya mo rang khopucha sponsor khe ya akhe tinio TTADC inchio khe brown no jai khe nang khro mo khe je snung thangnai ro no akhe tinio aron chingyo Sri Devi Nursing aron chingyo khe brane principal phono tinio TTADC ro no khakchang mo sahoyo arambo e tinio chung bodima ro no pho bari khe khasa soha phainang khe ke hanu mole arambo e tinio TTADC bai khe samung ta moro pho bari khe kha khom khe ma tong phio arambo e joto no bo video chio nai ye siat man ba pandawa bengla bodi khese sae tong thirawa tinio chini Tripura hani raja hani sarkar raule tinio jai khe su ya ye khe bodi khese lama lang bak lai khe klai ri phio arambo e tinio chung pho sia na ha chini jati ro je su neta ong phi pho jisu ong phi pho je bro je party je political ong phi pho PTG department le chini bro jotto su Tripura wa tongnai rona ang sirin chumole intellectual bai akhe chakri khene bai akhe jotto su umtho tongnai ra umno ang sirin chumole je sarkar pho ongtho PTG department ni montri le chini bro anai khe bai video chio siriwo abono demand khe nai sain le nai hi jotto no siriyo Mami ke PTG department de central chio chini bru jati ni ba sing he khete ke lai thanai sipe nokha bosi khol phe ba 25 years sa thang phole chini bru se PTG department no montri chai to hemba tino BJP wa IPF ti montri sarkar toi mole PTG department no chongmaya ongye abon ba se tino bo GNM nursing snunai rao pho khoksui mo ke bode umpai khna tinio arobo bo PTG department ching thangnai ro pho chini bruk chu ya boro darlong mo boro pho tongo arambo ye ke garu pho tongo arambo chung sia ni no chung tinio Tripura sa hingye chung tri la ye ring le tong phi pho bodi maro chung be thake chung su ni no arambo ye tinio jater jat ong yamani khiye bodi khe budget makma chini bru ro sia nai tinio PTG department ni chiom saha budget phai abo budget no jang tre jaga ro tinang ye abo budget rang khopuicha phai moro no photre jaga wo thang spy o bodi khong pai tong mane ba panda wo chung sia ni no ang skawo phono bo PTG department to ye bang ma saha janjan office thang ye chung rang khopuicha breke budget phai bor samane director chung pho chung bru ro sikho ni nam aram boy tinio sarkar le chonok ma thang ha akhe chung tinio education khop phono tola klai tum nye brang budimaro jater jat khe tongo ba ye tinio video pa ya han chine nen ba pundan joto na no ka bo bo video tinio nursing kenero ni tinio aroni principal tinio TTADC no brang ni rang khopucha rimaya khe firo rimaya to moro no TTADC bai khe jai khe moro no khakchang mo sai mono chung ta wo khna lai rana bo video chengyo.
Hello, Namaste to all of you. I am Dr. Ramakrishna from Sri Devi Nursing Institution and Sri Ramana Maharshi Nursing College, Tumkur, near Bengaluru, Karnataka State. We are very much thankful to you, the Department, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council in short form TTADC, for helping my students, those who have joined from Tripura 2020 batch, about 12 students joining for GNM course here, and you have sponsored them. On behalf of our management, the principal, the college, we thank you very much for providing the scholarship to all my students here. One thing I am here to endorse that all the students who have come from Tripura, they are all very good students, studying very meticulously, and they are fulfilling their objective of coming over here. All the students joined here got through in the first year with flying colors, and second year half of the way, and hopefully they have received the scholarship from your end, which is really a benefit to the students. And I thank again to you people, the officer, principal officer of the center, that is the TTADC council, and also the other persons who have helped my students for their continuing studies here. And also I request to help them in the coming year, that is third year, by helping in the same way. Thank you, one and all.